How do you pronounce these names of Vietnamese origin? We'll be looking at how to say more names, correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. In Vietnamese, it is said as Duy, 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 Duy. How do you pronounce these names of Vietnamese origin? We'll be looking at how to say more names, correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. In Vietnamese, it is said as Duy, 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 Duy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.